Alrighty, this customer has a GE dishwasher. It kept filling up with water on its own and then coming out the door because it needed a new water inlet valve. When you're changing your water inlet valve, you want to make sure you turn off the water under the sink. You remove the kick plate. I've already replaced this one. Remove the kick plate and the water inlet valve is mounted right down here. It's got a couple hoses, an electrical connection on it, 2 screws. Pop it in, pop it out. And they're going to be fixed up in no time.